Good morning. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Last Saturday, Veterans Day, Trump closed service dog programs for veterans, evicted the military from its base. Wounded vets returning to America depend upon service dogs to help them live the rest of their lives. The military just got a raise, $141 billion. Its budget now tops $700 billion annually. So why did Trump do it? Warrior Canine Connection Program gone overnight. Fort Belvoir, Northern Virginia, and the campus of Walter Reed National Military Medical Center in D.C., gone. The day before Veterans Day, workers at these two centers were told to pack up, leave, and not return. What the frack? It's time to take real care of American service men and women. The dogs are central to the wounded veterans. Hashtag compassion. Hashtag love is the solution. Hashtag love nature. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners. So don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, DRRESE.com, and click on that donate button. And while you're there, pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life. The wonder of it all. Just do it. drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.